Hey there, fellow logistics wizards and packaging pros. Ever find yourself tangled up in the wooden pallet jungle, not sure which one is the king of the load? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to crack the code on choosing the perfect wooden pallets for your business. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be a pallet picking pro. Now, before you start thinking, a pallet is just a pallet, let me stop you right there. There's a whole lot more going on under those wooden planks than meets the eye. And that's where our journey begins. Step 1. Understanding your load requirements. If your products are on the heavier side, go for a pallet that can take the weight without throwing in the towel. But if your load is more like a featherweight champion, a lighter pallet will do just fine. But next up, size matters. Pallet size, that is, whether it's the standard 48x 40 inches in the US or the 1200 by 1000 mm over in Europe. You've got to make sure your products fit just right. If you've got a product that's a little unconventional in size, no worries. Custom-sized pallets have got your back. And now, the age-old debate, hardwood or softwood. It's like choosing between a strong, reliable oak or a lightweight pine. Hardwood pallets can take a beating and keep on ticking, but softwood is light on its feet and easy on the wallet. Just remember, if you're shipping internationally, you might need treated wood to keep those pesky pests away. Stringer or block pallets? It's the forklift's version of, do I take the stairs or the elevator? Stringer pallets are strong and sturdy, but block pallets give you that all-around flexibility. Four-way entry, baby. Is this pallet for keeps or is it a one-time thing? If it's going to be reused, you'll want something that can stand the test of time. And if you're shipping across borders, make sure you're up to code with ISPM 15 regulations. Heat treatment or fumigation is the name of the game. For those of you storing pallets outside or in tricky climates, choose wood that can handle moisture, humidity, and the occasional weather surprise. Trust me, you don't want your pallet to turn into a soggy sponge. Always inspect for cracks, splinters, and any other red flags. Quality certification is your seal of approval. If you're eco-conscious, and who isn't these days, consider recycled wood pallets. They're easy on the environment and might be easier on your budget too. And for the ultimate green thumbs up, go for sustainably sourced wood. And here's where we bring in the experts. Europack is your go-to for all things wooden pallets. As a leading manufacturer and packaging company, Europack offers a range of pallet solutions tailored to your needs.
Paper pallets and reusable collar pallets. Lightweight and eco-friendly options for various applications. Plywood pallets for packaging and plastic pallets for the pharmaceutical and food industry. CP pallets, Euro pallets for the packaging industry. Two-way pallets and four-way pallets, ideal for export packing, ensuring secure and efficient transport. Hardwood pallets and molded pallets, termite-resistant press. Metal pallets, robust and long-lasting, perfect for heavy-duty applications. This variety ensures you find the perfect pallet for your needs. Our team of experts is always available to help you make the right choice. We provide guidance and support to ensure you select the best pallet for your requirements. Now, let's delve into the specific products within each category. For paper pallets, we offer honeycomb paper pallet, disposable and honeycomb paper pallets, paper pallet with plastic pallet. In the reusable collar pallets category, we have multi-stacking and collapsible reusable pallets, reusable collar pallet. For plywood pallets for packaging, we provide plywood pallet for packaging fruits. Our plastic pallets for the pharmaceutical and food industry include plastic pallet for export, plastic pallet for warehouse industry, injection molded pallet, roto-molded pallet, plastic pallet for automobile industry. The CP pallet, chemical pallets category features, CP1 pallet, CP2 pallet, pine wood pallet CP3, CP4 pallet, high-strength wood pallet for heavy load, pine wood chemical pallet CP5, CP6 pallet, chemical pallet 6, CP7 pallet, wood pallet CP7, CP8 pallet, wooden pallet CP8, CP9 pallet, CP9 wooden pallet. For the Euro pallet category, we offer Euro pallet for packaging industry. Our two-way pallets include two-way pallet, wooden pallets for export packing. The four-way pallets category features four-way pallets, wood pallets for export packing. For hardwood pallets, we provide hardwood pallet, the molded pallet, termite-resistant press. Wood pallets category includes presswood pallet, molded pallet, wood pallet made by hydrological press. Our metal pallet category features galvanized metal pallet, MS pallet, corrosion-resistant metal pallet, highly durable metal pallet. Conclusion, the Europack difference. Europack is committed to providing top-tier wooden pallets. We understand that your goods deserve the best protection. Our use of high-quality wood combined with our range of options makes us the ideal partner. Contact us today to discuss your pallet needs. Experience the Europack difference. To order or any query, call us on +91 98 200 90775. Visit our website www.europackpackagingproducts.com, or link is in description, or mail us on info@europackpackagingproducts.com.
Get in touch with Europack today at +91 98 200 90775, or shoot us an email at info@europackpackagingproducts.com. And don't forget to check out our website at www.europackpackagingproducts.com for more info. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to choosing the right wooden pallets. Thanks for hanging out with me, and remember, the right pallet makes all the difference.